4 Simple Rules for Surfing the Dark Web. The dark web, as the name suggests, is a dark place. The dark web is considered the invisible part of the Internet as it is only accessible by an anonymizing browser, like Tor. What is the dark web? The dark web refers to the inconspicuous part of the Internet. It is mainly used for illicit means, which makes it a dark place. Furthermore, it is necessary to ensure that you do not get scammed by someone out there. Everyone here is anonymous to each other. A 2015 study proved that 57% of the activity on the dark web is illegitimate. Numbers could be much higher presently. However, not everything in this dark sea is illegal. There is also a lawful side to all this, like the chess club and black book. Fact: every site address here ends with a, onion and not, com or org. Rules for surfing the dark web. If anything goes south, you might end up in jail if you aren't using the right security protocols to protect your anonymity, so it is better to comprehend the basics of how dark web rules work to avoid such circumstances. Do not trust random sites. Stay alert and avoid all kinds of illicit publishers. You never know what criminal activity they could be involved in. They might even try to exploit you and sell you dangerous items and horrible services. Your device could even be hacked. So, be cautious. Abide by the law. Don't get involved in anything illegal. Understand the thin line between right and wrong. You could ruin your entire life because of one mindless decision you made due to poor operations security. So, do whatever, but abide by the law. Beware of links. No matter how genuine or promising download links appear, never click on them without having a dedicated sandbox environment. Beware of such suspicious links. A mere click could cost you all your data and even damage your device permanently. Webcam hijacking. Some websites send administrative tools like RA to your device. These tools are capable of hijacking your webcam, by which they can see through and even record you, so cover your webcam with tape or something while surfing. Visit the link in the description below for more information.